Hello everyone, do you want to hide any app in background process? As you can see, many apps that run in background process. So to do that, please watch this video. Example, I want to run XAMPP control panel in background. So to do this, go to Start, type Run, typing GPEDITMSC, then click Enter. Then click on Windows Settings and click on Startup or Shutdown, and click on Startup. Click Add and click Browser, and find where XAMPP located in your computer. Then click on OK to add to script. After that, click OK and apply to save. Then just restart your computer to activate. After restart, you can check if your app running or not in background process. So now it works. And if you want to remove that app from background process, just see my video. So just this helpful, please help subscribe to my channel, guy.